Hey, welcome back to another video. I want to show you, this is one of my products that I've actually sold out on Amazon. Portable door lock. Got my little FN SKU code on the back there as well. Very basic, very simple product. No batteries, small, lightweight, less than a kilo, less than 45 centimeters. And I was just testing out this particular product. You could buy them for about $1 Australian, and you can sell them for $15 to $20. So that's a pretty decent markup, right? And came packaged, and this is a big thing I want you to think about when you're selling your Amazon product, right? It came inside, it actually came in a little canvas sort of drawstring bag, which is good. Most products that you buy in Alibaba come like this. Like, look at this, like it's all packaged, right? Just comes in a bag like this, right? Most products come like this, whereas I like the packaging. And people say, well, why do you like the packaging? I love it because you go after the gift market. And some people don't think about this, right? Come Father's Day or Mother's Day or, I don't know, Christmas or New Year's or whatever, Thanksgiving sales, right? Black Friday sales. When you want to give something to somebody, giving it like this is pretty, like, this is terrible. If you wanted it, I mean, it'll come polybagged, right? But giving someone a gift like this doesn't look that good. Whereas if it's like this and it's like in a nice little bag, you know, well packaged, it's got like a little there, it's got instructions on how to use it, you've got here, you got a little barcode there, you know, it's more presentable, so then you go after the gift market. Now, you have to do the calculations to decide whether or not your product needs to be packaged. Does it? Because not all products need to be packaged. If you're selling, well, some products, you know, that are not obviously in the gift market don't need to be packaged at all, but some products do. This is a product that can, you know, be packaged, and you end up making more sales because it is well packaged. Immediately, Father's Day, Christmas Day sales, Mother's Day sales, Black Friday Day sales, right? All those sales, basically, your product can now be gifted away, all right? So just consider that with your product. Maybe you're thinking about selling on Amazon, and you're like, you know, do I need to actually package my product? Do I need to go down to customization? This isn't customized. This is from the supplier in Alibaba. I didn't do any customization for this particular product. I didn't do anything. This is how it came from the supplier, right? It already had English written on the back, right? It already had the instructions inside. It had everything there pretty much all sorted out, right? I just bought it, essentially, from Alibaba. I didn't make really any changes at all. So just keep that in mind with your product, all right? Have a great day. Talk to you real soon. Also, if you are looking to get something started on Amazon, don't forget, give us a call in the office. Only if you're serious and you actually want to get something started now and you're looking for advice. 02-8003-7534. The number's on the screen here. I'd love to have a chat with you, chat with one of my team members. We also do live trainings every now and then. A couple of times a week we do a live training. So check out our website for more information as well, to join one of our live trainings. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye for now.